Hello students, here's some more detail about your formative for today. So for this exam, you're going to be using the 3 articles we read last week, right? The Facebook article, the e-waste article, and the climate change protest article. So you're going to need to open those articles for different questions. For example, you can see question 1 is about Facebook, and I told you here where they are. So if I want to find the Facebook article, I'm going to go to module 5. So that means I go to my classroom, then I go to classwork. I'm going to go find module 5, click on it, and it's going to bring up that module for you. Okay. The reason I want you to look at yours is 1, some of you have read aloud in there that you can use again, and 2, you guys wrote a lot of great answers for your questions on the side, and I want you to be able to use those to help you on this exam. So you'll see it's right here. You can use your questions that you put on the side as well, but you're going to need to be referencing these throughout the exam. Additionally, in this exam, if you get stuck, there are optional help videos down below to help you out. And then the last one, number 5, is a professional paragraph, and I've put the link to the professional paragraph right there. Okay? Please reach out if you have questions.